So good afternoon, everybody. How are you guys doing? Is everything fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you excited for today's session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So first, let us revise what did we learn yesterday, and then let us start with our today's session. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me one by one, what did we learn yesterday? Like first about indices, and then we'll see about others. Okay. Tell me. What are the 6 laws that we learned yesterday?
Multiplying indices,
Dividing
indices, power
Okay,
of
one
zero,
by one.
raising a power,
power to a power,
One by
negative
one, one by
indices,
one, please.
indices, fractional indices.
Okay, first one was multiplying indices.
multiplying indices.
All right. In multiplying indices, what did we learn?
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n.
Very good. A raised to m plus n. Okay, what was the second rule?
Dividing
Dividing
indices.
indices.
Okay, dividing indices. What was the rule for that?
A raised
A
to
raised
m
to m
divided
divided by a raised to n is
m
equal to a raised to m minus n.
Okay, a raised to n equals to a raised to m minus n. Very good. Third one.
Power of zero.
power of 0.
Okay, power of 0. What is the power of 0?
A raised to zero is equal to 1.
Okay, very good. Fourth one. What was the fourth one?
Raising a power. Power.
Okay, raising a power. So what do we write it like?
A raised to m raised to n is equal, bracket raised to n is equal to
M
a raised to
multiplied
m
by
into
n.
n.
Perfect. Okay. And the fifth one?
Negative
Negative
indices.
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 Right, negative indices. How do we write that?
A raised
A
to
raised to minus m is equal to a raised to 1 upon m or 1 upon a raised to m.
Perfect. Very good. And the last one?
Fractional
indices.
Fractional indices.
Fractional indices. What was fractional indices?
1 upon 2 where 1 was the power and 2 was the root.
Okay, okay. That means if we write it as, just a
X
moment,
raised to 1 upon 2.
x raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. How do we write x raised to 1 by 2?
X root
Root of x. Yes, perfect. And what if I tell you x raised to 3 by 2? How do we write it?
X root bracket close raised to 3.
Very good. Perfect. Okay. So we have covered this yesterday, and about the other part of the session, what did we see yesterday in the second part?
Integers.
Integers. What did we learn in integers?
Operands, operator, operation, result.
Very good. Operands, operator, operation, and result. I'll take a very quick example so that you can understand. 3 into 5 is equals to 15. What are the operands here?
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
5. Yes. What is the operator here?
Multiplication sign.
Yes. And what is the result?
15.
15.
Yes. I think we cannot like explain the entire table that we had seen yesterday about the addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division. So I hope you guys have understood instead of again revising it again. Okay?
Yes.
Shall we
Yes,
start with
ma'am.
our session today?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Great.
Okay. Great. So let us start with a session. Today we are going to learn about sets. What do we understand by the term set? Can anybody tell me?
A group
Collection
of
or a group.
something. Collection.
A set, someone has said a group
are called as set.
or a collection. Okay. But when we say about the term group or collection, the collection or the group has to be of the similar objects, right? For example, if you take books, there should be a pile of books, similar objects. Or for example, if you take keys, the collection of keys is called as bunch of keys, है ना? Then we have pile of books. Can you tell me more examples of such collective nouns?
Collection of books.
Constellation of stars.
Constellation,
Crowd.
somebody said. Yes, crowd can be
Army. Me.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Army.
Army, yes. Army,
Bouquet.
Flower,
yes, bouquet. Tell me more.
flock of birds,
Yes, perfect. Flock of birds. Tell me more.
collection of numbers,
Fleet of ships.
Collection that is given in the textbook. Yes. Someone said something else.
Fleet of ships.
Yes. It is not sheeps. It is sheep. Even the plural form is sheep. Okay. You cannot say ships. For example, you cannot even say scissors.
Ma'am, bouquet of flowers.
Yeah, bouquet is done.
Ma'am, family. Family.
Family. Okay. Partially it is right. No problem. Next.
Classmate.
Classmate.
Class.
Class can be a word. Yes, definitely.
Library is right or wrong?
Yeah, library can be
Library.
said. Library of books, no problem. Have you ever heard school of fishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Collective noun for fishes is called as
Yes,
school.
ma'am.
Okay. और एक last कोई बता दो, then we can start with it.
Locusts of clouds.
Yes, very good. Okay. ठीक है. Now that you know what a set or a particular group or a collection means, a collection is a group that can be having similar objects into it. Like for example, bunch will have similar keys or just keys into it. A pile can have a collection of only books. In the same way, as someone said, a collection is also considered as a collection of numbers. Today we are going to study about only the collection of numbers. ठीक है? For example, अगर मैं आपको एक बॉक्स दे दूं, बड़ा सा डिब्बा, and if I put numbers, do you know what are flashcards? Flashcards are kind of chart paper के ऐसे cuts बनाते हैं, and then they make squares out of it. If I write numbers on the flashcards, 1, 2, 3, for example, and I put it into this box, ठीक है? एक एक को डाल दिया बॉक्स में, one by one, and even this 3. There are only not these 3 numbers, but I am going to put a lot of numbers into it. Okay. Now, if I tell you guys to tell me all the numbers that I've put into this box, can you guys tell it for me?
Yes,
One,
ma'am.
Yes.
1, 2, 3,
3,
5,
5,
7,
7,
8,
5, and 9.
Okay. Now here the 2's that I've written are 2. This one and this one. And the 5 are also 2. There are also 2 7's. But while telling you did not tell me 2 7's, right? This is what I was expecting. I was expecting you guys to tell me only 1 7 because the number is same, right? So if I rename this box as A, for example, this box is box का नाम क्या है? A. So if I write here A, and if I write all the numbers that I have put into this box, I can write it as A is equals to, in curly brackets, 1 to 9. This is the form of representation of any set. It's not definitely going to be a box always, but there is always going to be a collection of numbers. Okay? Or you can also take another example. If I tell you, give me the collection of numbers or a set which determines all the prime numbers from 1 to 10. Can you tell me? Do you know what are prime numbers?
Yes.
Okay, let us name it as
Yes.
Tell me what are the numbers that are the prime numbers from 1 to 10?
3.
2, 3,
2.
5, 7.
2 is the first
2,
one
5,
because 2 is
7.
the even prime number.
3,
4,
Then we have 3. Yes,
3,
go ahead.
5,
7.
5. Yes.
7,
7.
7, and 7.
7.
Or which hai?
13.
Is there anything
13.
else? No, it's just 1 to 10.
Ma'am,
Okay.
that's all.
Yeah, that's all right. So the numbers between 1 to 10 that are prime numbers would be 2, 3, 5 and 7, right? We can also write this form of set into, if we write prime number, let us denote the prime numbers by x. ठीक है? If we write it as x is such that की sign ऐसे देते हैं, straight line, is such that x belongs to natural numbers. Are these natural numbers? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
And x
Yes.
belongs from 1 to 10. मतलब 1 से बड़े हैं numbers और 10 से छोटे हैं. Can we show it in the form of this way? Are you getting it? किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो बोलिए. I'll explain it again. Wait, I'll write it again for you. Let us take another example. Let us take
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us take a C set जिसके अंदर मैंने लिखा है 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I've written these numbers into this C set. If I tell you guys, I have to convert it into different form of representation of the same set. Can we take any variable here to determine these numbers?
No.
Yes, we can take it. Yes, we can totally take it.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
what you have to understand, are these natural numbers or whole numbers?
Natural.
Why are they not whole
Natural.
numbers?
No,
Because
ma'am.
there is no
They
zero.
are not whole number.
Why not?
Because there is no zero.
Because there is no zero.
There is no zero.
Yeah, but see, zero अगर नहीं होता है तो that does not determine that this is not a whole number, right? Zero से start होते हैं whole numbers. 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. Natural numbers 1 से start होते हैं. Even these are natural numbers and even these are whole numbers. Are you getting it? समझ रहा है आपको? Whole numbers
Yes, ma'am.
start with a zero. That does not mean that 1, 2, 3 are not whole numbers, right? So these numbers are also whole numbers as well as natural numbers. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Understand the difference what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. Can we represent this with any variable? Yes,
Yes,
totally.
ma'am.
आपको
Yes.
जो variable पसंद है आप वो ले सकते हो. मुझे x पसंद है, आपको a पसंद होगा. No issues. Let us take n here. For instance, x is such that x belongs to whole numbers as well as natural numbers. यहाँ पे कोई एक ही लिख सकते हैं हम. Let us take w for example here. Even w is right and n is also right. So n is such that n belongs to, what does this sign mean? Belongs to.
Belong.
Like you belong to your parents, the students of a particular school belong to that school. For example, अगर St. Francis है, so the students of St. Francis belong to St. Francis, right? So these numbers, hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So these number belong to whole numbers such that, like you have got this such that, right? The condition here is these numbers are greater than 1 and less than 10, right? Are you getting it? सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? The numbers are belonging to something. और दूसरी condition क्या लिखनी है? They are greater than something and smaller than something, right? Okay. ठीक है. Then can you tell me a representation of natural numbers? If you had to write all the natural numbers into the form of set, what would that be? कैसे लिखेंगे?
1, 2, 3,
1,
4
2,
and
3 dot dot dot.
Yes, dot 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 to infinity. Let us not write infinity because तुम लोगों को अभी नहीं है. But you know what does an infinity mean, right? What does this type of set mean? This set is representing a set of natural numbers.
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers. If I tell me a representation of whole numbers, what would that be?
W is equals to,
W is
in
equals
curly
to,
brackets, 0,
0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot.
0, 1,
dot,
2,
dot.
3,
Infinity.
Yes, perfect. This is a set of whole numbers because whole numbers start with a 0. Okay. What if I tell me a representation of indices? Can you show a representation of indice? What are indices? Indices are the powers, right? 2 का power हो गया,
Yes.
3 का power हो गया. Can you show a representation of indices? No, you cannot show. Why? Because indices can be changed in the form of fractions, in the form of integers, in the form of decimals. So it is a very big set. आप लिख ही नहीं सकते उस set को. Okay, are you getting it? It is a non-defined set. You cannot
Yes.
define such set. The sets which you cannot write are called as non-defined sets, and the sets which you can define are called as defined sets. Okay? Okay. Now tell me, what is the representation of set for integers? Tell me.
In curly brackets,
Yes.
-3,
Dot, 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 ma'am.
dot,
Starting.
dot,
Yes.
minus
dot,
3,
-3,
minus 2,
-1,
minus
1,
0,
2, dot, dot, dot.
1,
0, 3, dot,
dot, dot.
This is a set of
Integers.
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 Perfect. Okay. तो आप ये सब लिख लो. Then we can go to the next page. Tell me once you're done, okay?
हाथ धोआ.
Are you done writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Some students are remaining. Let us wait for them.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay.
Wait. Only one.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 2 minutes.
Completed.
Okay. Has
Completed.
everybody written or is anybody remaining? Is anyone left?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, great. Now we have seen two types of representation of a particular set. Now let us study these two representations in detail. ठीक है? Sets को हम दो types में represent कर सकते हैं. The first one is called as the listing method. ठीक है? Listing को प्यार से उसके घर पे क्या बुलाते हैं? Roster method. क्या बोलते हैं? Roster method. Yes. And the other form of representation of sets is the rule method or the set builder method. Set builder method. ठीक है? एक ही सेट को आप दो टाइप से लिख सकते हो. That we have seen in the last slide. ठीक है? For example, if we take again the natural numbers from 1 to 0. I mean, sorry, 1 to 10. Natural numbers from 1 to 10. ठीक है, तो लिस्टिंग जो मेथड होती है वो अपनी नॉर्मल यूजुअल वाली, लेट अस डिनोट दीज नेचुरल नंबर्स बाय n. n is such a set that it will belong numbers from 1 to 10. What will those numbers be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ठीक है. Now the care that you have to take while writing this set is, सबसे पहले first number लिखने के बाद comma, and the same goes with all the numbers until you write the last number. And you cannot draw the curved brackets or square brackets when you're writing a particular set. This is the rule. You have to always write the curly brackets. ठीक है? And you have to give an equal to sign after the representation of the name of the set. ठीक है? Is this thing clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. What is this method also called as?
Roster method.
Yes.
Roster method.
Yes, yes, very good. Now this method is not only used for numbers, but we can also use this method for writing alphabets. कैसे लिखेंगे alphabets? For example, if we take the name of the Mississippi River, have you heard of this river? किसी ने सुना है?
Which river?
Mississippi River. It is in US. सुना है कभी किसी ने? Mississippi.
No, ma'am.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. अभी इस वर्ड में सिर्फ कौन से लेटर्स है? M है, I है, S and P. There are only 4 letters. Can you see some other letters also, other alphabets?
No.
So let us determine this name of the river by R. ठीक है? R is equal to, what will be the alphabets written inside the set?
M, comma, I, comma, S, comma, P.
Comma
Yes.
I, comma S, comma P.
S, comma P.
Yes, perfect. In the same way, if
Comma
you
P.
are determining the numbers in the form of a particular set in the representation of listing method, वैसे ही आप alphabets को भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है? एक quick दूसरा example लेते हैं alphabets का. Can you tell me a similar word जिसमें repeat होता है ऐसे alphabets? Can somebody tell me?
Consonant is a word.
Consonants. Okay.
Yes.
Remember.
Okay, remember.
Banana.
और कोई? Banana, remember. Okay, banana. ठीक है. Tell me more.
Hereditary.
Sorry. Did somebody said something? Can you be louder? Okay. Anybody else has some other name? Okay, I'll give you a name. Another name, what can it be? Let us take weekend. ठीक है? Weekend. ठीक है. So consonants के केस में let us show it by some other letter called as, इसमें कौन सा नहीं है? R. इधर ऊपर भी R हो गया. ठीक है. R से determine अगर करेंगे इस set को, तो what will be the alphabets inside? Tell me.
C, O, N, S, A, T.
CONS.
फिर से S.
No, ma'am.
No.
Bracket close.
C is completed. O हो गए दोन. N are okay. N यहाँ पे 3 है. S, there are 2 S. A is also done and T is also done. ठीक है. So it will be CONSAT. This will be the set for this word. ठीक है. Remember के लिए, let us show it by A. Tell me, what are the alphabets inside?
R,
R,
B,
M. B.
comma B.
और क्या लिखो आगे?
No, ma'am, nothing. Bracket close.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है. Let us check once. R is done. R is done. E, E, M, M and B. Okay, all are done. ठीक है, next इसको represent करते हैं C से. Tell me.
B,
Ma'am.
A,
B-A-N. B-A-N.
Okay, let us check once. B is done. A and N. Okay, perfect. Next, इसको represent करते हैं Z से. You have to specially take care that आप जिस alphabet से represent कर रहे हैं उसके same alphabets अंदर नहीं होने चाहिए. Okay, so here I have represented by R, here also R, here A, है ना? Can you observe it? C and then here is
Yes.
Z. Yes. Okay, now tell me for weekend.
W E K
D.
C. Yes. बाकी W, yes, W is done. E, yes. K is done, N is done, and D is done. Very good, perfect. So have you understood how to write a listing or a roster method of set? किसी
Yes,
को कुछ
ma'am.
doubt है इसमें?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay. So let us see how to represent the same set of numbers by rule method or the set builder method. ये जो natural number वाला example है इसको पहले कर लेते हैं. ठीक है? Now that I've told you the numbers 1 to 10 can be written in this form, can anybody tell me rule method में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Can you try? Yes, anybody?
Ma'am, which example?
This natural number n.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, sure.
N,
Okay, n
variable N,
is equals
such
to in
that
curly bracket. Yes, n is such that.
N such that
Yes.
N belongs to capital N
Okay.
greater than 1.
What is greater than 1?
N is greater than 1 but smaller than 10.
Smaller than 10.
Acha. Is this the right way I've written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
perfect. Now the small mistake that we all have done is n को अंदर भी लिख दिया और बाहर भी लिख दिया. This is not the rule that we can use. Okay, तो इसको change कर देते हैं. Tell me another alphabet.
Ma'am, P.
Ma'am,
Okay. अच्छा, okay, P लिख दिया. Next time S लिख देंगे. ठीक है. So have you understood how can we write a particular set that is into listing method into a rule method? समझ में आ गया? कैसे लिखेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Take any
Excuse me,
variable.
ma'am.
Yeah, who is asking?
Ma'am, it should be greater than 0 and
Yeah,
less than
exactly. I
11.
was waiting कि कौन बोलेगा किसने देखा है या नहीं देखा है. Very good. What is your name?
Janvi Pawar.
Okay, Janvi Pawar is the star performer for today. ठीक है. She has noticed कि n जो है वो मैं आपको next step में अभी बताने ही वाली थी. आपने क्या बोला? n has to be greater than 1. यहाँ पे already 1 तो है इसमें, right? And the last one was the 10, right? But 10 से छोटा बोला है. That means सिर्फ 2 से लेके 9 तक हम लिख सकते हैं इस particular set में, which is not right, right? So what will be the corrected form of this set? Tell me.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yeah.
P equals to curly bracket n such that n belongs to n.
Yes.
Ma'am, N is
Smaller
greater
than
than
0 and
0.
bigger than 10.
Okay. 0 के बाद n और फिर उसके बाद
10.
11.
11. Because 10 is also there, right? 10 is smaller than 11. अगर 10 इसके अंदर है तो उससे बड़ा नंबर लगेगा ना यहाँ पे. Are you getting it? Yes? है ना? Okay. So let us take another example. Do you want to write this? If you want, you can write it quickly.
Ma'am, we
जल्दी
have
से लिखो.
taken screenshot.
Screenshot. Okay. सबने ले लिया screenshot?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. I'm waiting. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Done.
Okay, perfect. Now, let us take another example of a set of rational numbers. Rational numbers को किससे represent करते हैं हम? Tell me what is the symbol Q? Capital Q. So Q is the set of rational numbers. ठीक है. अगर इसको listing method में लिखना होगा तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Tell me. Can anybody tell me? Try करो. Tell me what are rational numbers.
Q
पहले
is
तो.
In the form of
Q where Q is not equal to 0.
Q should not be equals to 0. Can this number be negative?
Yes.
Can it be positive?
Yes.
Can it be 0?
Yes.
Perfect.
no, no,
Not
ma'am.
0. Why not 0?
No 0.
0 नहीं हो सकता.
Ma'am, it can be 0.
P
Can be
can
0.
be 0, but Q cannot be.
Okay, perfect. This is the exact answer I needed. Because अगर P upon Q, for example लेते हैं 0 upon 10 and 10 upon 0. Tell me which is possible and which is not possible among these
0
two.
upon 10 is possible, 10 upon 0 is not possible.
Not possible. You have to write this as important. Very important. This is when you write numerator as 0 upon any denominator. Let it be 1 lakh also. ठीक है? The answer would be 0 always. But अगर आप numerator में कोई बड़ा number लिखते हो, for example 1000 upon 0, the answer is always infinity. Please write it down. Number 1 and number 2. जब numerator में 0 होता है, answer is 0. When denominator में 0 होता है, answer is always infinity. ठीक है? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how can we represent Q in the form of listing form? Tell me. Can anybody? Try करो. क्या हम listing form में लिख सकते हैं? This is the first question. Can we write in the form of listing?
No,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? No. Why not?
No, ma'am. No.
Ma'am,
If
because
answer
we
is
don't know specific number.
Exactly. अगर rational numbers का definition P upon Q है, that can be any number, right? It can be 3.2, it can be 5.26, it can be any number. तो हम specifically किसी number को लिख ही नहीं सकते. If you write 5.26, तो फिर वो set तो गुस्सा हो जाएगा. क्यों? Because 5.27 भी है एक rational number. So such form of numbers which cannot be written in the form of listing method again can be non-defined set for listing method. Non-defined set for listing method. Okay? लेकिन क्या हम इसी same set को roster form, I mean the other set builder form में लिख सकते हैं? Can we write it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We can
कैसे
write it.
लिखेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
We will write x such that x
X such that X,
is not belongs to
okay, does not belong to,
rational number or R.
does not belong to rational number. हमें rational number का ही set चाहिए ना?
Okay.
And rational number is denoted by Q, जो मैंने already बाहर लिखा है. We cannot
Okay.
represent by R. Yes, no problem. Can anybody else tell me? Try करो. Okay, I'll tell you. हम आपको तो ये तो पता है कि हम rational number किससे determine करते हैं? It is P by Q, right? So let us write P upon Q such that, इसमें P क्या होना चाहिए? Positive या फिर नेगेटिव भी चलेगा. दैट मीन्स इट हैज टू बी एन इंटीजर, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes.
P is such that P upon Q is such that P and Q should belong to integers. दोनों integers होने चाहिए, right? And Q should not be equals to 0. Yes, somebody was saying something. Okay, nobody. ठीक है. Are you getting it? P upon Q form को it is such that P and Q has to belong to integers and Q should not be equals to 0. This form is called as Schred-Hilder form. Okay? Are you getting it? समझ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा?
Yes.
Yes.
ये लिख लीजिए. About the rational number, then we'll get.
Please explain again.
Okay. ठीक है. Tell me what are rational numbers? Any number that can be represented in the form of P upon Q. ये तो पता है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो माइनस इन्फिनिटी, ये जो आपकी नंबर लाइन होती है जिसमें यहाँ पे 0, -1, -2 एंड हियर एंड यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. तो आपके ये पूरे नंबर लाइन पे यहाँ से माइनस इन्फिनिटी से लेके प्लस इन्फिनिटी तक जितने भी नंबर्स है ऑल आर रैशनल नंबर्स, राइट? यहाँ पे कोई इमेजिनरी नंबर है ही नहीं. So all these numbers are rational numbers which are represented by P upon Q form, जहाँ पे Q should not be equals to 0. Q अगर Q 0 हो गया तो आंसर क्या आएगा? Infinity. We don't want infinity, right? That is why these all numbers which are represented by P upon Q is written over here. So P upon Q मतलब कोई भी नंबर, for example P को ले लेते हैं 13 and Q को ले लेते हैं 26. What will be the answer? 13 upon 26 क्या आएगा? Tell me what is the answer?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
Is 1 upon 2 an integer?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
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 It is not an integer. Integer क्या होता है?
It is an integer, ma'am.
Are negative, 0 and positive, right? हमने वो first day को पढ़ा था. Yes or no, guys? Tell me, come on, quickly. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, एक next page पे start करते हैं. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही mess हो गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है. सबसे पहले tell me what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are all the numbers from minus infinity तक 0 तक जाएगा और फिर आगे infinity तक. Okay. Integers क्या होते हैं? All the negative, 0 and positive. ठीक है. Rational numbers can be in the form of decimals. मतलब 5.7, 2.86. Okay. लेकिन integers cannot be into the form of decimals. है ना? They have to be whole numbers like 1, -1, 3, -17. Okay. अगर हमको rational numbers को किसी एक टाइप, I mean rational numbers को क्यों होना चाहिए? Oh, I'm so sorry. अगर हम rational numbers को एक सेट में डालना चाहते हैं, so can we write it as P upon Q because all the numbers are in the form of P upon Q, है ना? So number P upon Q can be such that मतलब आगे क्या लिखनी है? कंडीशन लिखनी है. कैसा होना चाहिए ये P upon Q? P upon Q ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसमें P and Q should belong to integers. ये दोनों integers को belong करने चाहिए, मतलब at least negative हो. P should be positive. I mean Q should also be positive. P negative हो सकता है, Q भी negative हो सकता है, लेकिन Q 0 नहीं हो सकता. This is the rule for rational numbers. ये समझ में आ गया अभी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
तो समझ में नहीं आया था उसको आ गया समझ में? Yes, somebody said that please repeat. उनको समझ में आ गया? Okay, I assume समझ में आ गया होगा. ठीक है. Let us take another example. If we take, अभी तो numbers हो गए सारे. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल अल्फाबेट्स का लेते हैं. इफ वी टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द वर्ड डिविजन, ठीक है, आपके स्कूल में डिविजन होता है ना, ए डिवीजन, बी डिवीजन. हाँ, तो वैसे ही अगर हम डिवीजन इस वर्ड को लिस्टिंग फॉर्म में लिखना चाहते हैं तो कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट विल हैव टू राइट अ नेम ऑफ द सेट, है ना. तो ए, लेट ए बी अ सेट, yes, where, tell me all the
Equals to
letters which can be written.
bracket
B,
B,
comma, O, comma, N.
O and N.
Bracket close.
Yes. And if we write the same form of set into set builder form, how can we write it?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
B equals to
अच्छा, okay, B लिख देते हैं. B is equals to,
open.
yeah, can you be louder? I cannot hear you.
E such that D
D such that D
is belongs to word division.
word division. Okay. अच्छा, division capital वाला. This is not wrong, but this is not even perfect. इसको और अच्छे तरीके से हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? B is equals to, for example, आपने D लिया, कोई भी ले सकता है A से लेके Z तक. So for example, अगर D लिया है तो D is a letter or an alphabet. यहाँ पे letter लिख देती हूँ. Letter of the word division. ठीक है, मतलब क्या? दिस एनी डी लेटर कैन, ये जो डी है छोटा वाला, वो एक तो डी हो सकता है, आई हो सकता है, वी एस आई ओ एन. ऑल दीज अल्फाबेट्स विल बी रिटन इनटू द बी सेट. आर यू गेटिंग इट? मतलब सिंपली अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ तो लिस्टिंग जो है, लिस्टिंग में क्लियरली लिखा है कि कौन से लेटर्स हैं, लेकिन बी वाला जो सेट है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, वहां पे थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स का यूज करना पड़ता है, बट मीनिंग दोनों का क्या है? सेम है. बिकॉज द लेटर ऑफ द डिविजन, द वर्ड डिविजन हैज ऑल द लेटर्स डी आई वी एस ओ एन. तो वही लेटर्स हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में ही डालेंगे, लेकिन उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन लिस्टिंग से थोड़ा अलग होगा. Are you getting it, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Is anybody is not understanding?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है, तो ये लिख लो जल्दी, फिर हम नेक्स्ट लिखते हैं. ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करने से ही धीरे धीरे आएगा, द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. यू हैव टू बी डिलिजेंट फॉर दैट. लिखने के बाद बता दो. ओके, कोई बाकी है? ओके, हो गया क्या लिख के? फिर बता दो मुझे.
Done.
Okay. Then is anybody remaining?
No.
Nobody. Oh, ठीक है, चलेगा. Let us take another example. Division का हो गया. If I tell you B is a set जिसके अंदर -3 और 3 है, तो आपको ये देख के क्या नजर आ रहा है? Can you observe something through this? क्या हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, अगर -3 को स्क्वायर किया और 3 को स्क्वायर किया, व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ -3?
9 minus 9
-9 और +9?
+9.
-9. Oh, sorry.
+9
Oh God, we have seen yesterday the table, no? Okay, what is the square of 3?
+9.
+9.
So can you observe something कि अगर हम इन दोनों का स्क्वायर कर दे तो आंसर 9 आ रहा है, right? So can we write this form of set into set builder form? Can anybody try? Anybody? Nobody. ठीक है, मैं लिख देती हूँ. I want to represent these numbers by y. ठीक है, y अल्फाबेट से मुझे represent करना है. So y मतलब y की जगह पे -3 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है. y कैसा है? y is such that y is a number where y square is equals to 9. इतना तो सिंपल था, है ना? y की जगह पे अगर मैंने -3 डाला तो आंसर इज 9, and if I put 3 then the answer is also 9. Are you getting it?
Yes.
हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, सम सिर्फ ये जो है सेट उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, नंबर्स के फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं, और सेट बिल्डर में क्या हो रहा है, आपको बस आपके मन की बात लिख देनी है. इट मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. दिस इज नंबर्स एंड दिस इज लाइंस. आर यू गेटिंग? अभी डिफरेंस पता चल रहा है धीरे धीरे?
yes ma'am
इसी के लिए दूसरा और एक लेते हैं एग्जांपल. लेट्स सी b इक्वल्स टू 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 and let us take 25. ठीक है, आप अगर इस सेट को देखते हो तो आपको क्या नजर आ रहा है?
Table of 5.
Multiples of 5.
Yes. But is it till 50? Because अपना टेबल तो 50 तक होता है. 50 है क्या इसमें?
No.
No.
नहीं है. तो किधर तक है 5 का टेबल?
30.
30 तक है सिर्फ, है ना? Can we write C as, let me take a variable, मुझे अगर Z पसंद आता है तो मैं Z लिख देती हूँ. आपको दूसरा कुछ भी पसंद आ सकता है, आप वो लिख दो. ठीक है. Z is such that, Z क्या represent कर रहा है? All the numbers from this set. लेकिन Z कैसा है? Z is such that Z is a multiple of 5, है ना? Z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 35. 35 से छोटे हैं सारे मल्टीपल्स, है ना? बिकॉज 5 7 is 35 and 5 6 is 30. So all these numbers are the multiples of 5, but those are less than 35. Are you getting it?
yes ma'am
समझ रहे हैं?
Yes,
एक लास्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Let us take tell me आपको जो कुछ भी नजर आ रहा है वो बताइए and tell me what can be the set builder form.
Ma'am, can I?
Such that as.
Okay, just a minute. Z. Okay, what do you want to represent it by?
S.
S.
T.
Okay. अरे
S
एक ही पे
such
बोलो.
that
हाँ, S is such that.
is a
S is a
multiple of 2
Multiple of 2
okay.
and is less than 10.
and is less than 12.
Is
12.
Is
less
less
than
than 12.
12.
12.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Can you tell me even another form of writing the same? क्योंकि मुझे और कुछ नजर आ रहा है. This is correct, absolutely correct. लेकिन और एक भी मेथड है इसको लिखने के लिए. This is not only a multiple of 2 but also something else. Can you observe something?
Even numbers.
Even numbers. Very good.
even number
Yes, perfect. Can somebody tell me about even numbers? कैसे लिखेंगे?
S is such that S
Yes. आगे बताइए.
Is even numbers.
Or even numbers.
Are even
Is
numbers.
is an even number. Hmm.
Less than 12.
And 12.
Less
And
than 12.
is less than 12.
12.
But tell me, क्या -2 even number है? Is -2 an even number or an odd number? Tell me. बताइए जल्दी. Even -2 is an even number. Even numbers क्या होते हैं? सिर्फ 2, 4, 6, 8 नहीं होते ना? It can also be -2, -4, -6, right? So हमारे सेट में अगर सिर्फ 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 है, तो हमको यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव इवन नंबर्स लिखना होगा. Yes?
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
हाँ, अगर आपने पॉजिटिव
Yes.
नहीं लिखा तो क्या होगा? दैट वुड बी पूरा -∞ से लेके आएगा ये, बिकॉज ये जो 12 लिखा है, 12 से छोटे नंबर्स -∞ से स्टार्ट होते हैं, राइट? सो द सेट वुड बी -∞ to 10. That is not our original set, no? That is why the correct answer would be S is such that S is an positive even number and is less than 12. Is A आएगा यहाँ पे. Is a positive even number. Okay? समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. जल्दी से लिख लो. Then we'll
Yes, ma'am.
go towards the next concept.
हो गया मैम.
हो गया? कोई बाकी है? Anybody remaining? No, nobody.
Ma'am,
No.
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure. Please ask.
Ma'am, you are a RJ now.
Yes.
Ma'am, on which channel?
Okay, आपको रेडियो विश्वास पता है? 90.8. So I used to work there as an intern. लेकिन अभी मैं मेरे पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. Do you know what is a podcast?
Yes.
Yeah, for somebody who does not know what a podcast is, podcast क्या आपने Spotify और गाना के बारे में सुना है?
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ,
Add.
these are apps जो आप प्ले स्टोर पे डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. तो इन एप्स के अंदर ना पॉडकास्ट मिलते हैं आपको. जैसे अगर
Yes,
आपने
ma'am.
जय शेट्टी का नाम सुना होगा,
Yes.
या फिर रणवीर अलाहाबादिया का नाम सुना होगा, बियर बाइसेप्स. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट बियर बाइसेप्स?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये लोग क्या करते हैं? पॉडकास्ट डालते हैं. वैसे ही मैं अपने एक नए पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर काम कर रही हूँ, which is mostly going to come in the month of June. अभी तो
Okay.
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है, इसलिए मैंने आरजे का कोर्स किया है. आई एम एथिकली प्रोफेशनली ट्रेन्ड एन आरजे, बट राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग ओवर अ पॉडकास्ट. इसलिए मैं अभी रेडियो में काम नहीं करती हूँ. आई हैव टेकन अ ब्रेक. और लॉकडाउन भी हो गया, इसलिए मैं जा नहीं सकती. That is why.
Yes.
अच्छा लगा आपने मुझे पूछा.
Yes, I just wanted to know के on which radio channel. मतलब मैं सुन सकती हूँ ना आपको.
That's so sweet. I'll send you the link once the podcast is on air, so that आप लोग
Yes,
मुझे
ma'am.
सुन सकते हो. Okay?
Yes, for sure, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
yes,
चलिए.
ma'am.
Let us see the next concept, that is Venn diagrams. कभी आपने सुना है इसके बारे में?
Yes. Venn diagram.
What are Venn diagrams?
Yes, ma'am.
They are like a rectangle and a circle. Like
अच्छा, अलग-अलग what do we say, geometric shapes से determine किया जाता है. You mean that, right? Geometric shapes. Okay, that can be any shape. For example, oval, circle, triangle, rectangle, any shape. ठीक है. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि एक यहाँ पे ओवल है और उसके अंदर मैंने कुछ नंबर्स डाले हैं, 1, 2, 5, 7, 10 एंड 11. अभी इस डायग्राम का नाम तो क्या है? वेन डायग्राम, ऑब्वियसली. ठीक है. लेकिन इस डायग्राम को हमको कुछ नाम देना है. We can represent this diagram by an alphabet. For instance, I take it as A. ठीक है, कैपिटल A. अगर मुझे इस वेन डायग्राम को लिस्टिंग मेथड में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो what will I write? A is equals to, in curly bracket, what will be the answer? What are all the points that are into Venn diagram?
1, 2,
2,
5,
5, 7,
7, 11.
11,
11,
10 and 11. अभी लाइक somebody said पहले 11 बोला और फिर 10 बोला, ये भी चलेगा, लेकिन when you write a particular set, हमेशा आपको छोटे वाले नंबर्स पहले लिखने हैं एंड देन बड़े वाले नंबर्स उसके बाद लिखने हैं. ओके, इवन दिस कैन बी अंडरस्टूड, लेकिन मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. मैं समझ लूंगी, आपके स्कूल वाले टीचर्स नहीं समझेंगे. ओके, तो उनके लिए आपको ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, so this is the form of representation of Venn diagrams. Very easy peasy. दूसरा एक लेते हैं एग्जाम्पल. Now tell me, if I represent this particular form of Venn diagram by B, क्या लिखेंगे? Tell me.
-11 -2.
What will be the first one? Just a moment. First number बताइए. What is the first number that I should write?
0
-11.
Oh God, कितना confusion है. Number line आती है आपको? सीखिए कभी नंबर लाइन.
-11
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am,
exactly. 0
-11.
यहाँ पे आता है, यहाँ पे -2 आता है और यहाँ पे -11 आता है. So -11 is the smallest. फिर उसके बाद
minus
-2
0, yes,
Then 5, then 10.
then 5,
Then
then
5
10.
and 10.
Okay, I think you guys are pretty smart enough to understand Venn diagrams कैसे लिखने. Okay, so shall we take another example or no? Shall we go towards next concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. एक ठीक है, एक लास्ट एग्जांपल ले ही लेते हैं so that एक बार हो जाए. ठीक है, और एक ओवल निकालती हूँ. Oh God, oval does not look like oval, but समझ लो अभी. ठीक है. अगर if this oval contains 1 2 3 4 5, tell me how can we write the set in the listing form?
SC 1 2 3 4 5.
1 2 3 4 5.
Okay, now the twist is आपको यही set builder form में बताना है. How would that be?
May I?
Try करिए.
X such that X. Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
X such that X.
X such that X
Is natural number.
belongs to natural number. Yes.
Natural number.
From where is
0
smaller than
Up to 5.
Up to 5 लिख दो यहाँ पे.
No, ma'am.
फिर क्या लिखो?
मैम बट नेचुरल नंबर्स 1 से चालू होते हैं ना.
हाँ, so 1 से ही स्टार्ट हुआ है ना.
यस, अगर हमने अप टू 5 लिखा तो पढ़ने वाले को समझ आ जाएगा ना कि 1 से है ऐसा.
Exactly. Very good. Very
No,
good.
ma'am.
We can write.
I'm saying that from 0.
अच्छा, okay. पर obviously like she said, natural numbers तो 1 से ही start होते हैं ना. Even if you write 0 is greater than x and is greater than 6, अगर आप ये लिख दो, फिर भी जो लिखने वाला है, even if you write x is less than 6, and ये दोनों का meaning तो same ही होगा, because obviously when you're starting with x, you have to start with 1, because natural numbers 1 से start होते हैं, है ना? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, there is what
Yeah.
in the listening method they have written 1. So how can we write 1 there?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Ma'am, in listening method they have written 1. So how we can write there? Here we can 1.
So how can we write what?
1 here.
I'm not writing 1 here. I mean when you convert this form. Okay, wait. I'll explain again. देखिए, अगर इस लिस्टिंग फॉर्म को अगर आपको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नो दैट दीज नंबर्स आर नेचुरल नंबर्स, राइट? लेट अस डिटरमाइन देम बाय x. ठीक है, x इज सच दैट x belongs to I mean x is such that x belongs to natural numbers. Now we know x natural numbers start with 1. So जब तक किसी ने ये पढ़ लिया है, he has already started converting this set builder form into listing form by writing 1 as the first digit, because natural numbers start with 1. When you want to convert the set builder into the listing method, और अगर आपने इधर natural numbers लिख दिया है, तो that person is going to start with writing 1. फिर वो लिखते जाएगा, लेकिन उसके आगे आपने कंडीशन डाली है that x has to be less than 6. फिर वो क्या करेगा, अच्छा x is less than 6 मतलब हमें क्या करना है, 5 के बाद रुक जाना है. That is this form. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am, I get this, but
Yeah, say.
ma'am, but in the listening method they have given 1. So how can we write 1 at there?
Here we have मुझे मतलब ये नहीं समझ रहा कि अगर you are saying they have already given 1 in the listing method, then how can we write 1 here? Is this your question?
Yes, ma'am. Because
आपकी आवाज
but
clearly
this
नहीं
is wrong.
है. Has anybody understood what he means to say?
Ma'am, his voice.
Yeah, exactly. His voice is cracking. Okay, we'll do one thing. What's your name, dear? The one who is asking the question. Hello. Can you tell me your name, the one who is asking question? Okay. I hope he is not listening to me. ठीक है. उसका question हम बाद में देख लेंगे. No problem. ठीक है.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, say.
Ma'am, if in the Venn diagram they have given random numbers like any number 5, 21, any number random, and if we have to convert it in set builder form, we have to write it in set builder form, then how will we write it? Or those are the random numbers now?
Yes, very good question. So you mean to say अगर 5, 21, 101, 36 ऐसे कुछ भी random numbers है तो उनको set builder में कैसे करेंगे? Good question. In such form, when you can only write listing method, मतलब listing में अगर आप सिर्फ लिख सकते हैं और set builder form में नहीं लिख सकते, so that will be non-defined for set builder and would be defined for listing method. आप set builder लिख ही नहीं सकते उस केस में. Okay, like we had seen it in the last slides.
Yes, ma'am.
कहीं पे मैंने बताया था आपको, है ना? See, not defined set for listing, but defined set for set builder. ऐसे cases होते हैं exceptions में. कभी ये आ सकता है, कभी ये नहीं आ सकता, है ना? That is another example of what you said.
Yeah.
Okay. Is anybody having some other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. So let us see the next part of this question. Venn diagrams का ही part है. एक बड़ा सा ओवल ड्रॉ करेंगे, उसके अंदर लिखेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 एंड इसके अंदर दूसरा ओवल निकालेंगे, उसके अंदर लिखेंगे 6, 7, 8 and 9. ठीक है. So what is happening right now? एक सेट के अंदर दूसरा सेट है ना? So can we determine it as, अगर बाहर के सेट को हम अगर नाम A देते हैं, what are the elements you can see in A? Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes. Why have I written 6, 7, 8, 9? Because A के अंदर ही ये है ना? Just because one set is into another set, मतलब इसके अंदर जो कुछ भी है वही A के अंदर भी है ना? But if I write only B set, जो अंदर वाला है, this B set will contain only 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9, है ना? So can we say that this set, ये जो B set है, ये A set का बच्चा है छोटा सा, मतलब इसके अंदर जो कुछ भी है वही A के अंदर भी है. Yeah, the official term that you can use for B is called as the subset. the B is subset of the set A. What do we call it as? Subset. Okay. Subset can be represented by, yes, B is एक ऐसा C निकालना है, उसके नीचे एक डैश देना है, सबसेट ऑफ A. ठीक है, इसको ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Has everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You are asking something?
Yes, ma'am. This A1 is a universal set. Yes?
What is the universal set?
A set.
Yeah, A set is also called as a universal set. सिर्फ इस example के लिए. Just because उसके अंदर सब कुछ है जो एक set में चाहिए था, है ना? Just because this set has all the elements, it is called as a universal set.
John Wayne.
Universal set. And B is called as the subset of A. ठीक है? Has everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. तो किसी को कुछ डाउट है इधर तक?
Ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us see another example. Let this set be A and this set be B. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here and 6, 7, 8 over here. Tell me what are the numbers in set A?
1, 2, and 5.
3, 4, 5.
Okay. Tell me what are the elements in B?
3, 4, 6, 8, 7.
4, 6, 7, 8.
3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Now tell me what are the elements जो दोनों में common है?
3, 4.
4.
Yes.
3, 4.
The intersection of these two sets are represented by, just a moment, are represented by the sign A intersection B is equals to set 3, 4. मतलब क्या हो रहा है, जो A सेट है और जो B सेट है उसका इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट ये है. तो उस इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट में जो नंबर्स कॉमन है दोनों के लिए, that will be represented in this form. How do we write this in the form of words? A intersection B is equals to 3, 4. Guys, please mute your mics, please. Students, please mute your mic, please. Okay, let us take another example. यहाँ पे मैं लिख देती हूँ 1, 2, 3 and यहाँ पे मैं लिख देती हूँ 4, 5, 6. ठीक है? Now tell me what are the elements in A?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes. And what are the elements in B?
4, 5,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
इन दोनों का intersection क्या है?
Nothing.
How do we write nothing? Is there any
Empty
symbol for
set.
nothing?
Dash.
Null set. That 5.
This will be represented by a symbol. ऐसे एक circle निकालना है और एक डंडा निकालना है. This is called as phi. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Phi. 5 represent करता है कुछ नहीं, because इन दोनों में intersection में कुछ है नहीं है. That is why A intersection B is represented by a phi set. Phi को अगर हम expansion में लिखे तो this will be like this. You cannot even write 0 into it, because अगर आप 0 लिखेंगे तो यहाँ पे मुझे 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, so the null set or a phi can be represented by only a pair of curly braces.
हेलो ताई है कि गई?
Okay, have you guys understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is an intersection of two sets? If there is something present into two sets, we can write it as A intersection B. और अगर कुछ भी intersection नहीं है, then you can write it as a phi. ये लिख लो जल्दी
Yes,
से.
ma'am.
Then we can go towards the next
Written,
point.
ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Is anybody who has not written it? Okay, ठीक. Next page देख लेते हैं. Now, yeah, should I show the last page? Anybody? No. Okay. Let us see what is a complement of a set. ठीक है, example लेते हैं. Let us name the set as A and let us name the set as B. अंदर एक set है, बाहर एक set है. B के अंदर लिख देते हैं 1 2 3, बाहर लिख देते हैं 4 5 6. ठीक है. Now first tell me what is A.
1, 2, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Okay. And tell me what is B.
1, 2, 3.
1 2 3. लेकिन अगर मुझे लिखना है 4 5 6 तो मैं उसको कैसे लिख सकती हूँ? Can anybody tell me if I want to represent 4 5 6, can I write it in some form? Yes, there is a form of writing 4 5 6 because just because A set is the universal set and the B set is the subset of the universal set, if I write complement of B, मतलब जो B में नहीं है, B के बाहर है, लेकिन universal set के अंदर है, those sets are called as complementary sets of, for example here it is B. किसी का माइक चालू है? Okay, no issues. Then we can write it as complement of B can be written as 4 5 6. But what if I do the union of B and B dash? What will be the answer? अगर मैं B और B dash को combine कर दूं तो क्या मुझे universal set मिलेगा? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the combination of B and the complement of B can be written as the universal set. This is very important for your exam. ठीक है? So now that we were seeing the complement of set, have you understood B के बाहर जो होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Complement of B, but it has to be the part of universal set. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है, चलेगा. I think now that we have seen intersection of set, complement of set, now the last part of this topic is remaining, that is called as disjoint set. Disjoint set. इसका माइक चालू है. Okay, no problem. ठीक है. Let us take two examples, A and B. ठीक है. A में लिखते हैं 1 2 3, B में लिखते हैं 4 5 6. What is A? Tell me the representation of A.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Curly bracket. Or B.
4, 5, 6.
4 5 6. Right. Is there any intersection between A and B?
No.
No.
So the intersection between A and B is equals to phi. मतलब दोनों में intersection नहीं है, है ना? That means these two sets are called as disjoint sets. मतलब क्या? इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ भी common नहीं है. Disjoint का spelling थोड़ा गलत हो गया. It has to be T here. Disjoint sets. So the sets which do not have an intersection as something, मतलब अगर उसका set null set हो या फिर phi हो तो उस set को क्या बोलते हैं? Disjoint set. Okay. And if I tell you to combine all these elements that are written here, let us represent it by C. अगर C से represent करते तो what will be the answer? Tell me. That would be 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So such set which is combined of all the sets is called as union of two sets. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Union of two sets. Are you getting it? किसी को कुछ doubt है?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay. I think now we can erudite all the topics that we have seen. मुझे बताइए एक एक टॉपिक हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा आज?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
please show the last page.
Okay. Done?
मैम अभी आपने कौन सा वर्ड बोला? We can.
Erudite. Erudite मतलब हमने क्या सीखा? What did we learn? Okay. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, what did we erudite?
Ma'am, listing method, rule
Yes.
method.
Listing method, which is also called as
Roster
method.
roster method. Yes. What was the second thing that we saw?
Method.
Rule method. Very good. Which is also called as set builder
Set
method.
builder method.
Yes. Next हमने क्या देखा?
Venn diagram.
Venn diagram. Okay. फिर उसके बाद क्या देखा?
Intersection of two sets.
Yes. Intersection of two sets. और उसके बाद
Null set.
Disjoint.
null set. Yes. null set के बाद हमने देखा disjoint sets.
Union of two sets.
Just a minute. Union of two sets. और एक टर्म रह गई है.
Complement of sets.
Complement भी है. Right. Yes. Anything else?
Subset.
Yes. Subset. Okay. null set को किससे represent करता है?
Phi.
Phi से represent करते हैं. Intersection को किससे represent करता है?
Ulta U.
Okay. उल्टा U. No problem. Subset को? Tell me. Subset को किससे represent करते हैं?
C and underline.
Yeah. C और इसके नीचे आएगा dash. Union of two sets.
U.
U.
No.
U. Right. Complement of a set.
Giving the apostrophe to the
It
name
is
of
not
the
called
set.
as apostrophe. It is called as dash. A dash.
Okay.
और disjoint set तो ठीक है, उसका intersection 0 होता है. No problem. Listing method क्या होती है? Can anybody tell me in your words what is listing method?
Which is consist of alphabets and numbers.
Yes, it is written as a collection of alphabets or numbers having a comma to separate them with commas. Okay. What is a rule method or a set builder method?
Writing the listing method in words, like in sentence types.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Can you hear me now? किसने मुझे mute कर दिया यार? हम बच्चे नहीं हैं अभी.
Yes,
We are in
ma'am.
9th and 10th standard के. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does anybody have any doubt with this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
किसी को अगर कुछ डाउट
ma'am.
नहीं है तो क्या हम
No, ma'am.
vocabulary के टाइप साइड में जा सकते हैं?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
टेल मी, पहले तो बताइए किन किन लोगों ने लिखा है. टेल मी योर नेम्स वन बाय वन.
Ma'am, Siddhi.
Tejan.
Ma'am,
Tanvi.
वन बाय वन.
Tejan.
Ma'am,
सिद्धि, वाणी, आई गेस.
Ma'am, Tanvi.
Yes,
Sejal.
ma'am.
Tanvi
Shivani.
Pawar.
Ma'am, Gaurangi.
Sejal Sawant.
विदिशा,
Tejan.
Ma'am, Shravani.
ओके.
Ma'am, Tejan.
जस्ट मोमेंट. तेजल, ओके.
I'm far.
Ma'am, Gaurangi.
पार्थ, ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Gaurangi.
गौरांगी, ओके. नेक्स्ट. सॉरी.
Anuja.
अनुजा, ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Sanika.
सानिका, ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Janvi Pawar.
Janvi. You have two Janvi, that is why I have to write this. Okay. Next. Boys में से एक ही है. Okay. Anybody else remaining? No. Okay. Let us start with Siddhi. Tell me one by one.
Ma'am, erudite.
Erudite. What is the meaning of erudite? Erudite means to learn. हमने
Yes,
जो कुछ भी
ma'am.
सीखा. Something that we have learned or to learn. ठीक है. Next word. Tanvi.
Ma'am, determine.
Determine. Okay. What does determine mean? Sorry, I can't hear you. Okay. Determine means to present या फिर to say it in a form of something. Related to present या फिर represent. ठीक है. Next. Ridisha. Hello, Ridisha. Am I audible? Okay, let's move ahead. Sejal.
Ma'am, instance.
Instance. Very good. Instance का meaning क्या है? Instance मतलब अगर मैं बोलती हूँ for example या फिर for instance. Instance मतलब इस moment के लिए. For this moment. I'll tell you an example. For instance.
Can I help?
Sorry. Can you repeat?
I am remaining.
Dear, I'm not here to able to hear you. Can you be a bit louder?
Diligent.
Diligent. Very good. Diligent. Diligent means hard work. Hard working person. You can say if a person is doing lots of hard work, that person is diligent. Okay. ये किसने बताया diligent?
Ridisha.
Ridisha. Okay. Can Sejal tell me the next word?
Ma'am, I told you.
Okay. Sejal ने कौन सा word बताया? Instance बताया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Shravani.
Ma'am, erudite.
Okay. Erudite is done. Do you have another word?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sejal. Next.
Ma'am, podcast.
Okay.
Yeah, please come again.
Podcast. Sorry. Somebody is saying something. Is somebody saying anything? No. Okay. What is a podcast? Podcast is a form of audio that you can listen to. Audio sessions, you can say. जिसमें आप कुछ देख नहीं सकते, बस सुन सकते हो. Okay. Next. Parth. Hello, Parth. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay. Next, Gaurangi.
Yes, ma'am. You told a new river name, Mississippi.
Okay, Mississippi is a word, is a name of a new river that is into US, I guess. आपको check करना है एक बार कहाँ पे है exactly. ठीक है,
Yes,
Mississippi
ma'am.
is the name of river. ठीक है, अनुजा.
Gesture.
Sorry,
Gesture.
gesture. I don't remember. Gesture. Was this the word? Did I use it?
Expression.
Yeah, I don't remember I had used this, but okay, if you remember, great. Gesture is a word which you can use for expression. Perfect. You've said it right. Sanika?
The same words.
Okay, ठीक है, no problem. Janvi?
Ma'am, same words. Diligent and Mississippi.
Acha, okay. If you've written all these words, I would like to tell you one more word, that was flabbergasted. I forgot to use this word, but I'd written it down in my notes. Flabbergasted, that means surprised. I was flabbergasted when you could recall all the concepts that I taught yesterday. Okay, उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Astounded, yeah,
Surprised.
या फिर surprised. Yes, somebody saying something. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. My friend Purva, her
Mhm.
microphone is off. So can you write her name?
Okay. Shall I mute her? Okay. Done. Okay. Does somebody have any other word which you want to share? आपको कोई नया word पता है that you want to share? Anybody?
Ma'am, you told 5. It is new for us now. So it's
Which
a new
one?
word now. 5. That null set wala 5.
Pi. Okay. That is a mathematical term actually. This you cannot use in English, no?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else wants to share something?
Ma'am, denote.
Denote. Okay. Denote is used for representation again. Representation. ठीक है. If you want, you guys can write these words या फिर screenshot ले लो. That is for your own good. Even I am taking the photograph of the names. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
अब तक
there are 2 Tanvis.
Oh, okay. Again, the same problem. Which Tanvi
Yeah.
is this?
A. Amle.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank God. You reminded. ठीक है, चलेगा. किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आज के सेशन में? Do you want to suggest
No,
anything?
ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है, no problem.
No,
Do you
ma'am.
want? If you want, you can tell your friends also because अगर आप चाहते हैं आपके friends भी सीखे, so the link is still open. And the next session tomorrow. What is the next session? Okay, let me check.
Real numbers.
Okay, real numbers है हमारा कल का topic. So if you want, you guys can read and come like some of the students had done today. ठीक है, अगर कुछ doubts हो तो WhatsApp पे पूछ लीजिए. और if you don't have anything else to share, we can conclude the session. Okay? किसी को कुछ बोलना है?
Excuse me, ma'am.